Yep, that's me.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Ringlight and welcome. And please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Hi guys, it's a new vlog and I'm opening this vlog because I'm busy cleaning I'm busy cleaning our backroom. I want to turn it into my saloon, but I'm done sweeping and then mopping, so I'm just waiting for my bed to arrive. I think it's gonna arrive on Thursday, and then the ring light, I get to be ring light on it, but hopefully this week, this week, and also I have so many things to buy. I can a trolley to where to put my things. But now I'm gonna use a table. You will just see we have a room. It's a true room. I'm using the bedroom. So and then we have a bed in here. But smart and also I want to change this curtain. But so I don't think I will wash it today, but for today I'll mop and then I'll be at the table where I'm going to put my things. And I think that's it for today. I wanted to vlog before and after, but the mess in I couldn't. But let me finish cleaning. And then, skin sack. Let me finish cleaning because I want to change I have. So before hoba pula ina, because there are things outside basically good deal. Let me not waste any time.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death, God, I need you. No more walking by the flesh, that's when I leave you. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God. I wanna go to Godly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I wanna go to Godly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I know you know me well. I feel invisible until you tell me you're right here. I cancel plans with you to meet with sin and break your heart. Sometimes I go to you for what you give, not who you are. I wonder if you'll leave for me. God, just tell me what you need from me. Is the Holy Spirit still in me? God, I'm asking you for clarity.
Still waiting for my light deal, but I'm still waiting for my order. But whatever, I want to start working now, and I will unbox my bed with you when it gets here. But I know on Thursday I'm gonna get it, but because they said on the 16th it's gonna be, no, since 16th, on the 6th of March I'm gonna get it. So yes, I have a ring light for in the meantime. Ring light, a small one. I don't know if I will be able to use it. I'll just check. Bye guys for today, because I think I'm done. I was just cleaning. Hi guys, welcome back to another day of this vlog. I hope I'm audible. It's Thursday morning. I quickly need to go to town to run some errands, and also I need to go to Akamins. There's a tote bag that I need, so I'm just gonna check if it's here. Akamins, and I'm waiting for my delivery. And I didn't get to wash the curtains because we don't have water. I don't know. I wanted to wash the curtains and the window for that in that room, but it's stayed 3 days now. So let's go to town. And also I need a pen. Is it no, not a pen, a marking pen, but no acceptable then the what's this mutuating must be thin. Yes, thin, not thick, thin. It'll be slim because I'm gonna use it for mapping. And I think tomorrow I'm gonna be taking my first client. So yeah, I'm gonna use my old ring light because ring light order really, I don't know it but I need to get busy. So I think I'm gonna use that ring light. Leona, it's broken. I will show you inside a picture. It's broken, but Kikupile, one of my grandmother's friend, and I hope it look easy. So yeah guys, let's go to town.
Drop it in the water, let the daughter find an image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie. You understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach.
This is what I want. This is what I want.
As the leader, teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky. And I'ma wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. Take her higher, higher. Fly out the valley and the fire. Take her higher, higher. Fly up out the valley and the fire. Train her feet for running. Show her every door and how the windows let the sun in. Copy out the key and
which is I commence. I didn't find the bag that I was looking for, so I'm going home now. Sorry about that. I'm going home now. I will talk to you guys when I receive my package. So yeah, let's go. I'm so hungry. I'm gonna have this. I hope it's nice. So yes, I'll talk to you guys when I receive my package. So bye for now. Another day of this vlog. Yesterday I just left you like that. I thought my parcel was gonna arrive yesterday, but it didn't. Now they just called me. Barabadla. Yo guys, I'm so excited, Claire. I am so excited. I am so excited. Yesterday night I came home like my garage ka emela. I think I batlang pop. But thing is, I checked the app ne. Basically, it will fit my Kante, I was supposed to receive the message on my phone first. So message go receive it today. So yeah, let's wait for them. Yo, I like to be like I got up. Yeah, dude. Let me stop talking, guys, and go wait. Ooh, that's a long. Let me go wait for them outside. Yes.
Right on top is the latest club incantation. We're out for the weekend, working up the courage. We pray away the pain of not being in alignment with our dreams. Fetch your life, go and be alive. Ain't nobody living out ya. Be someone who's living out ya. Fetch your life, go and be alive. Ain't nobody living out ya. Be someone who's living out. Fetch your life, go and be alive. Ain't nobody living out ya. Be someone who's living out ya. Fetch your life, go and be alive. Ain't nobody living out ya. Be someone who's living out. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. More the light to lawless count. I wanna sing.
Testing the waters.
Not the waters. You manna. How do you feel?
I'm happy.
You're happy. How much was it? 50 rand from them.
Hi guys, we are done assembling the bed, so I don't know when I'm gonna see you, but I think I will see you when I receive my ring light. I don't know what's happening with my skin claim. I give a little pimple, but it's a long. I don't like it, so I don't know when will I see you, but I don't know if. But I think I'll see you maybe on Sunday if ke thotse ring light ka enyane, because I asked someone to fix it for me. So ke mo feel yona on Wednesday. Today it's a Friday. So I don't know, because good like excited go ke thabile ka re nka no be ka re nka motho a tle no ke tlo mo kenya di lash, but and wait for that person, or maybe wait for my ring light if he. Yo guys, bye for today. And also another day, another delivery. Hi guys, welcome back to another day of this vlog. I said I'm gonna come back to you guys when I receive my, let me show my address, my so I just want to unbox it and set up, because my first client ate today around 2, it's 12. So let's unbox it and see if it works.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high. Hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room perfume. Go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. Blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga, don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga, that ain't good game, homie, sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know just know this.
Yeah, struggle. I am struggling. I don't know how to. Let me show you. I don't know how to connect this thing here. I don't know what must happen. Because this thing was here, and then you can make it visual because it can't fit here. Yo guys, I feel so stupid. I can feel stupid. The stupid girl. I managed to figure out Oganaki as well. So let's finish setting up my Ringlight. So I feel so stupid. Okay. I was supposed to do this. I don't know if you can see, but I'm supposed to do this, guys. Yes.
Give me a run for my money. There is nobody, no one that run me. So give me a run for my money. Sipping bubbly, feeling lovely. Living lovely. Just lovely. I wanna be with you. Hey, I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. Hey, I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. Me, just love me. If I didn't ride blade on curve, would you still love me? If I'm in my mind and work, would you still love me? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to love me. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got nothing. I got something.
So I'm done, guys. Let me just go find a twin plug so that I can plug it and see if it works. Yo, he's stupid, he said. Yo! Let's see if it works.
If I didn't ride blade on her, would you still? If I'm in my mind at work, would you still? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got nothing. Run for my money. There is nobody, no one that run me. So give me a run for my money.
So this thing must always be.
I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you.
And it also comes with a remote, but I need to go buy debate. So I think you're right. Guys, the only thing that I didn't plug is this things here.
I guess you wonder where I've been. I search to find the love within. I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't let go. My friends wonder what is wrong with me when I'm in a daze from your love, you see. I came back to let you know. Gotta thank you, and I can't. People go around the world for love, but they may never find what they deserve. What you won't do for love. You try everything, but you won't give up. In my way, only you make me do what I would not do. Now my friends wonder what is wrong with me. Well, I'm in a day when your love you see. Now I came back to let you know. Gotta think for you, I can't go. What you won't do for love. You tried everything, but you won't give up. In my way.
Hi guys, welcome back to another day of this vlog. I'm just here to close off the vlog because this vlog doesn't have an outro. So it's a photo shoot, but I didn't vlog for my YouTube. I vlogged for a real aka poster on my Facebook, and I want to close off this vlog. But before I close the vlog, I want to say, guys, Andy Matey, I am not in the body. When I was unboxing my ring light, but I was not. I was just bloated. But I'm just here to clear up the rumors. So because Batlanahana, this and that, and also guys, please plug me, my fellow YouTubers, please plug me with the app that you are using, because the app that I'm using, I was using CapCut, so now CapCut is showing the watermark, and I don't want that. And I can actually CapCut every month. I'm not a paid YouTuber now, but if I was getting paid, I wouldn't mind paying it. But I need an app that I can use that is free. On my previous vlog, I was using video editor, but in it and totally funny, I was like the text wherever I wrote them, Haki share on the vlog, so I keep it totally funny. So please guys, plug me with an app that I can use. I've been here. So bye guys, I will see you on my next vlog. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Bye guys, bye.
You've been so good to